Not all tasks are equal. The secret: do more what gives value, not just effort. We often waste time doing that drains energy but bring little result. You feel busy but progress is slow. Without prioritizing wisely, your productivity leaks away. Namaste Karyans, I'm Vanitha Ganeshmurthy, your Vedic to-do list coach and the founder of KaryaSiddi Productivity Hub. You're listening to Vedic Productivity Talks. Here we grow 1% every day the Vedic way. Today, let's explore a simple but powerful tool, the value versus effort matrix. In the Vedic way, this connects to the principles of Yukti, that is the right application of effort. The Rig Veda reminds us that the purposeful action brings the prosperity. The value versus effort matrix helps us practice this. Point number one: high value, low effort. Do this first, they give maximum results quickly. Point number two: high value, high effort. Plan and commit. These move your dharma aligned goals. Low value, low effort. Do sparingly or delegate. Point number four: low value, high effort. Eliminate. These are distraction in disguise. What are the actions that you need to take? Karyans, take your Vedic to do list today. Place each task in one of these four quadrants, then commit to do what matters. Plan the rest and let go of the noise. I wish you all to follow this episode and give your clarity. Share it with someone who feels busy but stuck, and join our KaryaSiddi Productivity Hub to master productivity with Vedic wisdom. That is 1% growth every day. I wish you all to be very productive and have a great day. Bye. Jai Hind.